Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Altima key fob. First, find the small release button on the back of your key fob. Press and hold this button, then gently slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for manual entry, so keep it somewhere safe. This initial step prepares your fob for the next stage of opening. Now, with the emergency key removed, look at the bottom of your key fob. You'll notice two small notches. Take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into one of these notches. With a gentle twisting motion, you'll feel the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Repeat this action on the second notch to further loosen the casing. Once the halves are loose, gently pull them apart to reveal the interior. You'll see a small, round battery, typically a CR2032. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive, or plus, side is facing downwards into the holder. This ensures proper contact and function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely. Make sure all edges are flush and there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click. Your key fob should now be ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.